How to get 60% off on HelloFresh. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in HelloFresh deals and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get amazing deals for HelloFresh. So go ahead and open any of these. I'm gonna open this one, Groupon. After you open it, you can just scroll. You're gonna find amazing deals and offer. You can see that. Hot pick, special, collection, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. You will be directed to the official website of HelloFresh. Now you can log into your account, make your order, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find the section of code. Over there, paste your code and confirm your order. In the case you are not getting the code for the offer will be automatically applied to your purchase. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this page you're going to find tons of offers and deals for HelloFresh. Well, this way you can easily get 60% off on HelloFresh. Also make sure to check out other websites, as these websites will also provide you off on HelloFresh. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.